Let me show y'all. I'm eating a little bit of it myself. It's really good. Little chicken and rice. He made some little chicken and rice for the homeless. He went up there to take it up there to him. I made the butter sauce right here. The butter sauce is in the pan. The eggs is on the stove right there. And everything else is inside these two pans. And, oh, they're damn oven's hot in the bitch. And then these two pans right here. So I had put some pepperoncinis inside of one of the pans. Cause you know, I'll show you. Yeah. Yeah, I know I love my pepperoncinis. I know I love my motherfucking banana peppers. But right now I'm eating some of this chicken and rice. I'm waiting for him to get on back. Ooh. Y'all know I got some chips with it. No shade. I got some chips with it. I'm eating these with some whatchamacallit right now. But I had to just see what this man, chicken and rice, was talking about. And it's busting. You want to go to Universal Studios? I got to connect. I don't mind, love. Okay. Y'all got something to say? Yeah, we clean the rice. We make sure that we rinse the rice before we boil it. The bowl is so small. I'm gonna make sure y'all see the seafood. Okay. I'm gonna make sure y'all see the seafood. It's okay. I don't want to eat too much of the chicken and rice because, bitch, I'm trying to fuck this seafood up. I'm watching anime right now. Rice milk. I put a little bit of my butter sauce inside of the chicken. Is it spicy? Yeah, it's spicy. That's because I added paprika, hot sauce, and pepperoni juice. Yeah, my man said he gotta make sure he feed me, honey. He know I like to eat. My man said he know I love to eat. No, this is for the homeless. We have made this for the homeless. And he's up there taking it to them right now. So, we're eating seafood boil. Yeah, I'm cooking. Of course. Booty cheeks. Booty cheeks. Got them booty cheeks out. Booty cheeks. Booty cheeks. Got them booty cheeks out. Booty cheeks. Booty cheeks. Got them booty cheeks out. Booty cheeks. Dang it. We got them booty cheeks out. Booty cheeks. Let me stir this seafood up. Booty cheeks. We got them booty cheeks out. Booty cheeks. Booty cheeks. We got them booty cheeks out. Booty cheeks. Booty cheeks. We got them booty cheeks out. We got them booty cheeks out, booty cheeks. Booty cheeks, we got them booty cheeks out, booty cheeks. Booty cheeks, we got them booty cheeks out, booty cheeks. Booty cheeks, we got the booty cheeks out, booty cheeks. My man said he gonna get me a pink Stanley, y'all. A pink Stanley. I told that man I want a pink Stanley. A pink Stanley. Christmas is coming up. And I know I'm getting spoiled this year. Booty cheeks. We got them booty cheeks out. Booty cheeks. Do the booty cheeks. We got them booty cheeks out. Booty cheeks. We got the booty cheeks out. Booty cheeks.